Hello, everybody. Welcome to my first episode of Learning UI UX. So, this first week, I decided to go on Google and actually search. So, one thing you need to know is that I don't have money. Like, I'm broke. I'm broke. Hey, okay. So, I don't have cash to pay for all these big courses. So, my three best friends, not two, they're three best friends Google, YouTube, TikTok. Those three are like the very thing that I'm using to learn UI UX. So let's go. So the first thing I did was go on TikTok because TikTok has a lot of resources. So I searched UI UX and I was scrolling through the videos and I found a video. I don't actually know the name of the guy. I'll put the name here. The video or the name of the person here. The person mentioned that if you search on Google user experience design plus acupuncture oh god, I cannot pronounce the name. All I know is this is the name. So that is what I searched and it took me to a free website where they teach you UX design. So I googled that and I looked at it and I signed up because anything is free. Everything is free, so I signed up. And so far I have been able to learn what user experience is, why user experience is so important before you even start to design, because I love the design aspect and I don't know the user experience aspect. So what I decided to do was I need to learn the user experience design first. What is user experience design? UX for short is the approach to the design of a digital or physical product or a real life service where the user is the art or the center. So basically what they are saying is the user is the center of the universe, not the product, not the services. The user is the main thing. The user is the main goal. So I think that's basically explains it. I don't know how else to explain it. And then so UX design has principle also. So they have like 5 principles so far. That's like the 5 one I have been able to uncover. I think maybe I'll still have to go back and revisit this because I think there's still more, because there are a lot of articles on that website. 5 principles that I was able to gather is usability, because the website needs to be usable for the clients, for the customers. And then number 2 is consistency. Everything needs to be consistent on the website or the app, whether it's the colors, whether it's the fonts, whether it's the icons. Everything needs to be very, very consistent on the website or app. And then the third one is feedback. So you need to be able to get feedback from clients, like do they like how they feel about the website? Do they like it? Do they not like it? Is it very functional? Is it very fast? So that thing also needs to be that is like very, very important to get the client's feedback. Number 4 is flexibility. So the website needs to be very flexible so that you can, if maybe in the future the clients or the customers want something changed, that will be stemming from the feedback that you get. So you need to be able to be very flexible when designing the UI UX interface. The UI interface. So it needs to be very flexible. And then number 5 is error. So in this number 5, this one is like very, very a bit tricky, because you need to not have any errors when you are conducting the user experience. So you need to be very careful not to have errors. So those are the 5 user experience principle that I found or that I was taught on the Accenture website course. And then keep in mind that this course is like a week basis, like a week by week basis. So we have week 1, so it's for 3 weeks. So we have week 1, week 2, and week 3. So those are, it's like you need to uncover each one every week. So I just wanted you guys to know that. So the 5 stages of UX process is number 1, discovery. That's the discovery process, or you can call it user research. So you need to find out who your target audience is. Like I said in the first understanding UX experience. So you need to find out what they like, what they don't like, how they behave, what they need, and who they are. So you need to find out those things for you to be able to go on to the next stage. The next stage is define and describe the concept. So you need to define what concept you're going for, or describe what concept you're going for. Are you going for milk? Sorry, I said milk. Milk. Why do I keep saying milk? Are you going for a food app, or do you want to be specific about which type of food? Like, is it a vegan food app, or is it like I don't know. I don't even know why I chose a food app. Anyways, is it based on just groceries, or is it like processed food or raw food? You know, that kind of stuff. So you need to define the concept that you want to go for and how the concept is going to look like. And then number 3 is the design the experience. So that, I think that's where UI comes in, and you'll be able to figure out what exactly the design is, like how you want the design to look like. And then number 4 is to develop the design. So that's where UI comes in. You develop it. So number 3 is supposed to be like maybe the sketching stage, where you sketch everything out, show your clients what it's supposed to be like. And then so the number 4 stage is when you develop your design and just show the clients, okay, I have designed this, take a look at it. That's where you go into Figma, take a look at my design, blah blah blah. And then number 5 is to release the product. So that's it. After designing, you can launch the website, you can launch the. If you have any question, please let me know down in the comments. See you guys in the next video.